Hello guys, I am Justin Kim Duranoy Tang. I'm 20 years old. I live in Kayang Bantao, Bugo City, Cebu. And I'm studying of first year college. And my course is BS Cream Bachelor of Science in Criminology. And my our school is Cebu Roosevelt Memorial Colleges. So guys, this is my story. My mother and me. My mother and me. We are five siblings and I am a youngest child with my mother. To be honest guys, I'm so proud. I'm so proud of my mother because she supports me in my studies. Even when it's difficult and even school fee are expensive. My mother just I want to earn to meet my needs for my studies. Even touch way expensive, hardship and hungry. We never give up. We fight for life and I don't want to go to school when I was still in elementary school because I wanted to help my mother. But my mother said me, don't don't want you to be like me. Dili daw gusto ginahan akong mama nga makaprihas mi sa ihang kahimtang. And by the grace of God, I was able to finish my school in the end of senior high school and also health and also guys the health crisis like COVID-19 come because I couldn't give up on school. I hadn't to stay up taking care of four siblings because my stepfather uh, members of PWD pero she's helping my mother and also helping my mother and mauro to guys and thank you so much and bye bye.